guys, here is Drag with the new Lego model built for you all. It is a blender with which you can blend anything you want. You can use this even to make an omelette for breakfast. Stay till the end of this video to see how to build and code it. Timestamps are below, feel free to skip to any section you want. Before starting this video, do like, share, subscribe and comment what you would like to see in the next video. So to start the code, you will have to open Lego Mindstorms EV3 Home Edition app on your PC. I shall give the link to download down in the description. Check this video out if you haven't seen it yet because I have done a coding tutorial there too. After opening Lego Mindstorms EV3 Home Edition app, you need to click on this plus icon right here, which shall create a new project. Here, you have to first go to the flow control section, which is the orange section right here, and then drag out a loop. It should be on unlimited if it's not. Then you shall have to go to action again, drag out a medium motor, set it to on. You can adjust the speed and also the port. Since I have connected it to port A, I shall click on this port. After that, you have to go to flow control section and then drag a weight block right before the medium motor block. You shall have to click on touch sensor right here and compare the state. After that, you have to make it to 1 if it's not on 1, and the port should also be 1. Now this depends on you. If you have connected it to 3, then you can select 3 or 4 or 2. After that, you have to drag out another medium motor block like this and then make it to off. Then again go over here, drag out a weight block and then select touch sensor, compare state. But this time we are going to make it to port 2. So as you can see now, our code is done. Let's test the blender. Yummy! Our blender has made us some delicious coffee. Enjoy drinking it.